think I eat today.
Coffee delivery.
Good morning, my cutie patooties. I didn't work out today, so I didn't have my usual morning Celsius. That means that I need triple the amount of caffeine that I would normally drink. I already had an iced espresso, but I already know that drinking another iced espresso won't cut it for me today. We're gonna go back to my roots and we're gonna make a Vietnamese coffee. In true Psy fashion, I'm not gonna add any sweetener. These past couple of months, I've just been loving the bitter, earthy flavors of just raw black coffee. When I was in Vietnam, my relatives were horrified at the fact that I would just drink coffee without any condensed milk or sweetener. What can I say? I'm a masochist. When I drink this Vietnamese coffee, the amount of caffeine in it is probably enough to sterilize a small horse, completely stop its heart immediately. So I don't drink this every day, but I do drink it on the days where I need a little extra energy. Let me show y'all how I make my dark Vietnamese coffee. Here is the fiend that we are using today. I got it from my most recent trip to Dalat, and it's incredible. I also wanted to try and break open this café phối trộn đậm, which is a dark blend coffee that I got from Dalat as well. I've been saving it for this very occasion so that we can try it together. Eee, I'm so excited. Oh, that smells heavenly. We shall wait for the water to come to a boil. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the duck cup that I drink my morning espresso in and fill our fiend with our coffee. And now we just wait. Once the water is finished, I just refill it and then I add ice. And that is my Vietnamese style iced espresso. This process does take a second though, so as this is brewing, let's go ahead and make our breakfast for today. I am desperately craving a Taiwanese style breakfast pancake. It doesn't require that many ingredients and we happen to have all of them. Cass and I ate this at least once a day when we were in Taipei. Cass completely fell in love with them. And to be fair, it's very delicious. If you're American and you've never had a traditional Taiwanese breakfast or maybe just a more savory Asian breakfast, this might be a bit strange for you, but it's also great for lunch. We've had it for dinner before. So really, you don't have to confine yourself to just breakfast. But if you happen to have all the ingredients, I highly recommend that you try it because my God, it is breathtakingly delicious. Let's get into it. The three main things that you're gonna need for this dish, your Taiwanese pancake. I've never used this brand before. I typically use the ones from Trader Joe's. Eggs, cheese, and there's also usually like ham or bacon, but we're just omitting that part today. Oh, they're so tiny.
Here's your wrap, cutie. Ah, I hope you like it, cutie.
Gotta go tend to my... I hope it's yummy.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Oh good, I'm glad you like it. coffee is now also brewed, so I'm just gonna put ice in it. This is delicious. Oh, whoa, it tastes like coffee. Wow. It's like nutty. The wrap is a lot smaller than what I was used to. It's so good. Oh, fuck yeah. You wanna try mine? The difference. I don't know. I sometimes worry, what if one of them is better? I want to give you the optimal one, you know? I love when they cook breakfast food. So delicious. And you can like really customize it, you know? You could put sausage in here. You could throw whatever you want in. Spam, bacon, spinach would probably be really good. They're super filling, honestly. Like you could probably split one. See you guys later for lunch. Peep the pause. This is a refined gentleman.
Oh yeah, Daddy. Oh, sniff, sniff. Sniff, sniff, Daddy.
I freaking got sauce all over my shirt, so I have to change now. The next time you see me, I will be in a new outfit. And of course, to match the frog theme, put on these frog earrings. One of y'all actually sent me these when I had a P.O. box like 2 or 3 years ago, and I've kept them and cherished them ever since. So thank you. I will literally own them forever. Do you like my new outfit, chicken? Fair enough. I was so dehydrated. Let's make lunch. I'm feeling very fail. I do feel like a failure, but I'm feeling very frail and fragile today for whatever reason. Feeling a little delicate. And on days where I'm feeling delicate, I like soup. I want to make something really fast and simple, but warm and comforting. So I think I'm gonna go for an udon noodle soup, just with some quick air-fried tempura. I bought this tempura at Trader Joe's, and I've actually never had it before, so we'll see if it's any good. Product of Vietnam! Shout out to my people. These will certainly be good then. Comes with a sauce packet. The tempura look pretty good. They look pretty yummy, so I have high hopes. The noodles only need to boil for a minute. Breakfast honestly filled Cass and I up so much. So I'm just gonna boil 1 packet of udon, and then if we end up being hungry, I'll make more. Our frozen noodles. Here's your udon, sweetie. Oh. Wow. This is so beautiful. I have to snap a photo of her.
Thank you, honey.
Oh, I want some so bad. Oh.
I make my portion now. Ooh, the tempura looks so yummy. That's so delicious. Oh, I feel like my spirit is literally being healed right now. This is so rejuvenating. I'm gonna watch anime as I eat this. Wow, I just started my meal and Cass has already cleaned theirs.
I was a little hungry.
Did you like it?
It was so good. I loved it.
I got it. Snack time. Unimpressive coloring. right down here. I'm gonna cut them off just a tiny piece. Wait.
Spin. Okay. Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah, did you like that?
It is about to be 8 p.m. and Cass is about to return from their yoga class. I'm feeling pretty lazy today and I don't want to cook something crazy elaborate. So I'm gonna go ahead and make carnitas tacos today. If y'all have never tried pre-cooked carnitas from Trader Joe's, listen, I'm not gonna tell you try it. It's super great and convenient. I'm gonna make a quick bastardized pico de gallo because we don't have fresh citrus nor white onion, but I've been really trying to clear up my fridge kind of Emily Mariko style before I do new grocery shopping because I'm a bit of a food hoarder. I need to get a little scrappy with my recipes, you know what I mean? In any case, let's make the pico de gallo. We have cilantro, thank God. I know it looks a little sus, but I promise you, it's tasty. Everything's falling. All I have to do is microwave it for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna make my tacos into quesadillas, but Cass wants just regular tacos. So I'm just gonna heat up the tortillas and
Our tortillas. Tortillas deliciosas.
microwave for them, whereas I'm going to pan fry mine.
Oh, chicken would love a quesadilla, huh, chickens?
Here are the carnitas. All you have to do is shred them.
This fucking guy. You're so silly.
Cass's portion.
Here you go, my moochie.
Wow.
Good job going to yoga, honey.
3 of us.
There was only 3 of you?
Yeah.
Here is my dinner.
Get a cheers?
Cheers. Absolutely divine. If you're a Trader Ho, like I am, and you haven't tried the carnitas, you gotta change that. I'm gonna finish the rest of my delicious dinner now and catch up with Cass on their day. Thank you guys so much for watching What I Eat in a Day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Go eat something delicious today. Bye!